This is the Nihi Kai Villas in Poipu, Kauai. If you're thinking of visiting Kauai, consider a vacation rental over a hotel. From a full kitchen to multiple bedrooms, laundry, easy parking, and less crowds, vacation rentals can offer much more for you to enjoy your vacation. This is Unit 602 in Nihi Kai Villas. Let's take a look around. Upstairs you'll find a vaulted ceiling and a very comfortable living area. The dining room seats 6. And the kitchen with its 5-burner range and microwave is incredibly well stocked with everything you need to make from simple to fancy meals during your stay. Downstairs you'll find a master bedroom with TV, ensuite bathroom and patio. And down the hall is a second bedroom with 2 beds, bathroom, TV, and a private patio as well. The Lanai on the main floor has ample room for a dining table and a lounge chair, and these frequent visitors. And the front balcony has 2 chairs and loads of beach and pool equipment. There's also an in-unit laundry and loads of towels. The grounds at Nihi Kai Village are quite lush with common areas for grilling, lounging, and swimming. And the sunset every night is always spectacular. You'll find more about Unit 602 at Nihi Kai Villas in Poipu, Kauai on vrbo.com. Enjoy your stay. Aloha.